If you're over 50 and you're dealing with joint pain, you're not alone. In fact, it's estimated that over half of adults in this age group experience some form of joint pain. 5 vital reasons over 50s should embrace ginger. 1. Digestive support. Soothes age-related digestive discomforts like bloating and indigestion. 2. Joint health. Eases arthritis symptoms and promotes flexibility in aging joints. 3. Immune boost. Strengthens immune defenses, crucial for warding off illnesses in later years. 4. Cognitive enhancement. Enhances brain function, supporting mental clarity and focus as we age. 5. Cardiovascular protection.